Hello again. 24 new suspected cases of swine flu were reported on Saturday in Mexico's capital city. Mexico's health authorities say the deadly H1N1 virus has killed at least 20 people and 48 other deaths were probably due to the same strain. Mexico City has suspended schools and all public events to curb the outbreak in the metropolis of 20 million. And soldiers and health workers handed out masks to the public, and hospitals dealt with crowds of people seeking help. Officials assured the public that authorities have effective medicine. The government issued a decree invoking special powers to let the health department isolate patients and inspect homes, travelers and baggage. The outbreak has also reached Texas, California and Kansas in the U.S., leaving 10 infected. U.S. officials say they expected more cases. And the World Health Organization has declared the swine flu outbreaks in Mexico and the U.S. a public health emergency of international concern. The WHO Chief Margaret Chan has urged all countries to increase their surveillance. David Rathbin has more details.
The WHO made the decision after emergency talks with experts on Saturday. Director General Margaret Chan says there is a risk of the new disease spreading to other countries. She urges health authorities worldwide to be on high alert for unusual flu cases.
I think at this point in time it is very important that all regions of the World Health Organizations work with our countries to heighten surveillance so that we know exactly whether this new disease is causing infection in human beings in countries other than the U.S. and Mexico.
Some of those who died are confirmed to have a unique version of H1N1 flu virus. The virus is a mix of human, pig and bird strains.
We are at the beginning of the outbreak here, and there are a lot of things that we still don't know. We're not sure exactly of the transmission routes, where the initial infection came from, how efficient it is in transmitting.
The WHO stopped short of raising its pandemic level. The experts agreed more information is needed. The current alert level is phase 3, which means no or very limited human-to-human transmission. WHO officials are assessing the situation in Mexico. They are also helping with disease surveillance, lab diagnosis, and managing cases. David Rathbin, CCTV.
And China has also taken measures to respond to the outbreaks of swine flu in Mexico and the U.S. The General Administration of Quality Supervision, Inspection and Quarantine is now requiring people to report flu-like symptoms if coming from swine flu-affected areas. It says those who report symptoms must be scrutinized, and those who have been or are suspected of being infected by the virus should be isolated and treated. The Ministry of Health says its experts are ready to study prevention measures, and it has enhanced contact with the WHO and the governments of Mexico and the US to learn about the latest developments in those areas.